up, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Okay, y'all, so first things first, let me give you a little disclaimer. That smoke detector is beeping again. I'm gonna have to get Nisha to do whatever she did last time, so please pay it no mind. There are new batteries in there, okay? So I don't know why it does that, but I hit something, so just try to tune it out, sis. Okay, just try to tune it out. Now let's get into this video. All right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. Shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their colored human hair wig, highlight ombre lace front wig for women. It says the lengths that are available is 16 to 26 inches. You can get it in either body wave or straight, and you can get it in either a 5x5 or a 13x4. Now I know that I have a 13x4, honey. Y'all know, had I known that the 5x5 was on there, honey, I probably would have wanted that. Okay, but they have it in the 13x4 and the 5x5. I also have it in a body wave, so just keep all that in mind. Okay, for the details, it says the brand name is Wiggins Hair. It's a human hair lace front. It's Swiss lace in transparent color. Highlighted, the unit is highlighted, and style, tangle free, shedding free, all that good stuff. Okay, so those are the details. I want to see if I can find out what length they sent me. Okay, so on our email, they got on here that they were sending me 23 inches. I'm going to say that they sent me 24 because there is no 23 inches and it is 200% density. So, yeah, those are the details and specs. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I honestly did not receive any shedding or tangling with this wig. It's not to say that at some point it won't. It's just to say that straight out of the packaging, she did none of the things. I did decide to curl this unit because I bleached the knots, and when I bleached the knots, it kind of like took away the wave. And either way it goes, I always curl my body wave units, and I think it curled really nicely, especially for the length. And as far as it being big head friendly, this unit is average head friendly, okay? But you can get it in a small, medium, or large. So if you are on the bigger headed side, they have larges available. If you're on the smaller head side, they have that available as well as the medium cap size. So I would suggest you get whatever your cap size is. Okay, girl, get your cap size. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. And honestly, y'all, I struggle with the con with this unit because it is a 13x4, but look at this 13x4, y'all. Like, you know, it may be an issue if I had it parted on the side, but I think it looks really nice in the middle, but it's still a 13x4. So if I did it a side part instead of a middle part, I would definitely have to curve it. So that's why it's gonna be a con, okay? But this is a really, really, really small con, okay, girl? Alright, y'all, so my pros is I love the fact that this unit came pre-tweezed. Like, she woke up like this, okay, girl? She woke up like this. I love that for me. I also love the color. I think the color is really nice, and I also feel like it's a safe color for people that are that are afraid to try blondes or just colors in general. When you have like a dark root, it makes it feel more safe. So I love that as well with this unit. I love the texture of the hair. I liked it when after I had it, you know, bleached the knots, and I like the straight look with this wig. Okay, I'll insert a clip or something, or you guys saw it at the beginning, but I was kind of feeling the straight look with this wig. So I feel like that makes it really versatile, and I love that as well. So those are my pros. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I think the unit is really nice. I love the density of it. It's really thick. I feel like it's really good date, night, summer hair, honey, okay? I wouldn't wear this hair every day, especially if your heat in it, like anything like the heat here in Bama, honey. Like, I wouldn't recommend just going out on a hot summer like a hot summer day with this unit, but a night, honey, girl, she is a vibe. So yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And keep in mind, I am 5'4", so this is where it comes to me. It's pretty long. It's pretty long hair. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. I feel like this wig is definitely longer than 24 inches. I'm thinking maybe they sent me 26 because when I stood up, like, it's really long. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I am definitely feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helping Me See on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.